Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do technical analysis on EURJPY. We're going to start from the weekly time frame all the way to an entry. So if you load up a chart on tradingview.com, top left corner search for EURJPY, select the broker you trade with, and with IC markets. Always start on the weekly time frame where each candle represents a week of price action. You want to mark your support and resistance levels. You then go on to the daily time frame and repeat your process once again. You can clearly see there's a higher low here, so there is a support region there. And you want to mark your resistance where you could say it is on the weekly here. Once you've got those two levels, you can see there's an actual upward trend line as well, so you can draw that in just to aid your analysis. So you can see it's clearly an upward trend. If you go into H4 time frame, repeat the process once again. Rectangle tool out, you want to mark your support level. And resistance. So it's potentially at resistance right now. It could breach higher, but it's pretty much at all-time high. You then go into a H1 time frame and you want to get this Fibonacci retracement tool out. So today's Tuesday, we'll look at the previous day's price action. So from the low of the day to the high of the day, these would have been your levels before the market opened. London session opened today. So these would have been your levels for today before London session opened, but I was away, so I didn't have a chance to do so. So I know when price comes here, potentially London session opening time 8 o'clock. When price is here, I would have sold and aimed to go here. However, it didn't. Continue to make high lows and high highs, and it's currently made a higher high at past the -23. And as you can see, there's a massive bearish engulfing candle now, where from a H4 resistance, looks as though it's potentially going down now to this level here. So what we do is we now update our levels. So in this case, this would be our new resistance. You can clearly see there's a bearish engulfing candle. It's breached the previous higher low. So what you can do is, this is our entry of interest, candle of interest, sorry. So you highlight the candle, and let's just say this is where we want to enter a trade. Get the short position tool ready. Stop loss just above here. TP at 52 pips. Now to reduce your stop loss and to get accurate entry, you then go into an M15 time frame, where if I was trading on time or just slightly before, I would have entered on this candle here. My stop loss just above. However, because I missed that entry, you can see price is currently over here. So you can enter on that candlestick and your stop loss would be just above it. So sorry, if you just give me a moment, I'm just going to enter this trade right now, so I can show you how to do it. So I wouldn't put my stop loss here, because as you can see, it's a risk to reward ratio of 1.2. It's literally 1 to 1. It's not good. So what I would do is I would reduce my stop loss. I would bring it down here. Obviously it's not a great entry because I missed it. You want to ideally have it above the level or close to the level, but nevertheless there's momentum going in a bearish candle, bearish momentum, so it does indicate it's going down. However, my stop loss would be just here, so give it a breathing space. If it does retest the trend line where the previous higher low was, just in case it does go back, it doesn't hit me out, hit my stop loss and get me out of the trade. So what I'm going to do is, I'm risking 12 pips to now make 42 pips. That's risking £120 to make £420. That's risking £1,200 to make £4,200. So that's a risk reward ratio of 3.42. And let me just update these support stop loss levels and the TP levels. There you go. And that's how you enter a trade. So I hope you enjoyed that session, guys. I did that less than 5 minutes. I showed you how to do your support and resistance on a weekly time frame, then on a daily, then on a H4 as you can see here, then on a H1 how we use a Fibonacci retracement tool, and then the candle of interest, and then how we enter on M15 and how we do our risk management. So I hope you enjoy that session, guys. Like, share and subscribe. Peace.